So hi guys, I'm back. So we're gonna be melting a 3D printed Titanic boat / boat. For my brother, he's gonna be holding the torch / flamethrower.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Now, for example, show how it looks like. Yeah. Okay. Now it's 3, 2, 1. Start melting. Oh damn.
The wind.
Oh damn. Oh, the boat's on fire.
No, it doesn't get on fire. Oh!
Oh damn. Oh no, half the boat fell. If there's fire, we'll just get a cup of water and yeah. From what you're seeing is like a big fire, like in the big boat. But from we're seeing this. That. But from you guys, you're seeing this.
Is that good now?
Yeah, let's just see the results for now. If the video ends in the middle, we'll just do a part 2. Okay, oh, it's on fire, damn. Yo, it's on fire, okay. Now just wait till it cools down.
Melted? Yeah.
Yeah, it melted.
Okay, I'm gonna take it off. No, leave it. Once it cools down, it will come by itself. Cold, Ray, come inside.
Okay.
So good, tomorrow morning.
Damn.
It's gonna like get cold like instantly.